We'll guide you through how to add music in CapCut. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in CapCut. Music can be a great addition to your video. You could go and have it just over a video or even a photo, or you could go and have it behind somebody speaking as background. Make sure nothing is selected. If it is, press the back button in the bottom left. You can go down at the bottom and press audio, and then you can go and press sounds. You can go and be on this page here, and this is going to be music from CapCut. You can go through the different sections. If you need it for commercial use, select that at the top. Otherwise, browse through it and the different categories. You can press the folder icon to use your own audio and music. So you can go and use extracted. You can go and open up your device files and use iTunes, which is the music app. You can use TikTok at the top. You can go and check your favorites out as well. And there's AI music as well. So let's say you want to use your audio, your device, and open up your files, select the sound and press open. Then it will appear here and you can press the plus to the right to add it in. And to adjust the volume, with it selected, press volume at the bottom and you can go and drag it down as well.